I have a 67-in-1 STREBITO Precision toolkit here. I've really enjoyed STREBITO tools in the past. Always been impressed by their quality and workmanship that they can provide. Pulling these out right here, as you can see, comes in the nice little box, tells you all about the tool, but let's get into the real goods. First off, comes with the nice USB-C charger here. Obviously works on any typical wall adapter, that type of thing. That will run your main player of the show. Now I'll try and show this to you here. This is the STREBITO electronic driver, capable of 0.5 nanometers forward and backwards. Comes with a nice little light, handy little display setting here. Shows you the different functions from 1 to 5, as well as the battery life. Comes with, as you can see, the little light function there, so that you can see what you're doing, what you're working on. Comes with a wonderful little 60-minute charging time, 350 milliamp battery life. All of those things ensure that you'll have good durability, enhanced life, all of those wonderful things when you're working on, say, difficult jobs such as taking apart this little monitor display, maybe even replacing a battery on your iPhone, all of those different things, which we will do later, but just trying to showcase the different pieces here. Again, 67-piece set. We've got all of these wonderful tool bits here. These are S2 steel. They come with a hardness rating of 60, so that means they're going to be durable, they're going to hold up, they're not going to corrode on you. A lot of these, the precision is so fine on these, you can hardly see it yourself. You get down to some of these, like these T01, or we get down to like the Phillips, 4.0 or quad 0 type settings. These are incredibly precise tool bits, and all of them work, and they're all hard, they're all durable, they perform the task needed. We've got a little brush, we've got a pick, we've got a tweezers, a couple of pry bars, suction cup, different picks, magnetizer, demagnetizer, a secondary tool set here. Comes with the free swivel back end, so you can hand drive or hand locate any tools you would need or any bits you would need. All in the nice little convenient case. For all the different pieces we have here. If we wanted to pull, say, a battery or something like that, we could grab our little driver here. I'm going to go to a 000 Phillips. That's traditionally what Apple will use in their different tooling here. Let's go and find a screw up here to take out. Again, backwards, forwards. And just simply place the screw head in, hit the button, and just like that, the screw comes out. The various parts are easy to identify, to see. It has more than enough torque to loosen them. As I'm going here, I'm picking various different ones. You can see they stick to the screw head here, or to the bit head. I take that off, move it over. Just as kind of a last minute little function here, I wanted to run through the display settings we have here. Battery charge, direction of the screw, level of the torque. You hit the button here, it changes that torque level. That'll increase or decrease the amount of power being driven to the screw. As you run it, you see that one goes backwards. So it's pulling the screw out. Now I hit it and I go forwards. I say let's go to 4, we'll go forward again. You can hear the screwdriver on that running harder, as in more power. Again, a very convenient, easy to use human interface with that, to let you kind of know where you're at with this tool so you don't cause any damage to the parts you're working on.